Has Sam left the tower?
Yes, he's on his way, but...
Perfect. Then it's nap time for Big Brain. You said before I didn't understand sacrifice. Let's see if I've learned anything.
No! Don't let him!
Electromagnetic pulse shut down all the working tech in this base, meaning your technopath can't do squat. In your borrowed face.
Your armor is nothing but dead weight now. You did nothing but ensure your own demise.
I know you're the smart one, but that was pretty dumb.
Wait for it.
Iron Man, I'm here, and the suit is awesome.
Hit Captain America.
Hard. What?
9!
Please tell me there was a good reason for that. Because I've always wanted to meet Cap, and knocking a guy out is not a way to meet your hero.
Brain switch. And I thought I was your hero. What happened to the War Machine armor?
The Falcon armor is just cool.
Falcon. Huh. Works for me.
Cap?
Not Cap. Trust me.
Who's the Birdman?
His name is Sam Wilson, SHIELD trainee. Been moonlighting for Tony in secret for months. It's what I do. By the way,
You're fired, Wilson.
welcome to the Avengers.
Thanks?
Power restored.
That's the stuff. Systems are finally back online. That means... Avengers assemble! You wanted a plan? Here it is. Hulk, Thor, keep MODOK off balance. He can't concentrate, he can't take me out. Widow, Hawkeye, get Cap into the brain switcheroo thing. Falcon, make the thing work. The skull is mine. That an acceptable plan, Mr. Hawkeye?
I'll let you know when it works.
I will have vengeance, Stark! I was built to destroy!
Together, then. Why not? Move.
I guess you'll be sitting this one out? We good?
Great.
Pathetic! This ends now!
I think you're right. You've scratched up my body enough. Brain swapper's online, but not for long. Took a lot of damage when you pulsed it.
Consider it on-the-job training and make it happen.
You regret this, Stark?
I hate seeing me squirm.